YouTube isn't just for vloggers and makeup gurus. You can strike gold without ever touching a camera. Seriously, the platform is bursting with opportunities to make money, even if creating videos isn't your thing. Think outside the box. You can leverage existing content, partner with creators, and tap into powerful tools. Forget the pressure of filming and editing. This is YouTube on easy mode. Whether you're passionate about gaming, music, or anything in between, there's a way to monetize it on YouTube. Let's explore the strategies that can turn your channel into a money-making machine. Ready to dive in? Let's go. First up, video curation. This is the art of selecting and organizing the best videos for your audience. It's like being a museum curator, but for awesome videos. Imagine walking through a museum where every exhibit is a video you've handpicked. Your job is to find engaging content in your niche and share it with the world. This means you need to be constantly on the lookout for videos that will captivate your audience. Think about it. People are overwhelmed with content. Every day, millions of videos are uploaded, and it's easy for great content to get lost in the noise. Your curated channel cuts through the noise, delivering high-quality videos in one convenient place. By organizing these videos into playlists, you make it easier for your audience to find what they're looking for. Start by identifying your niche. This is crucial because it helps you focus your efforts and attract a dedicated audience. What are you passionate about? Gaming, travel, maybe it's cooking, fitness, or tech reviews? Whatever it is, make sure it's something you love. Find the best videos in that category. Look for content that stands out, whether it's because of its quality, its message, or its entertainment value. Look for content that's informative, entertaining, or visually stunning. These are the types of videos that people will want to watch and share. Use tools like YouTube's search filters and keywords to find hidden gems. These tools can help you discover videos that might not be trending but are still high quality and relevant to your niche. Check out trending videos and explore channels in your niche. This will give you an idea of what's popular and what your audience might be interested in. Remember, always credit the original creators and ensure you have permission to use their content. This not only shows respect for their work but also builds a positive relationship within the community. Engage with your audience by sharing these curated videos on social media and encouraging discussions in the comments. This interaction can help build a loyal community around your channel. Keep an eye on the performance of the videos you curate. Use analytics to see what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Over time, as you continue to curate killer content, you'll see your channel grow and your audience become more engaged. Celebrate these milestones and keep striving to provide the best content possible. Stay updated with the latest trends and continuously look for new and exciting content to share. This will keep your channel fresh and relevant. Ultimately, your goal is to create a space where people can find the best videos in your niche, enjoy them, and share them with others. Happy curating! Ever watched a video and thought, my reaction is pure gold? Well, guess what? Reactions are a legitimate way to make money on YouTube. Reaction videos are all about your genuine response to existing content. Show your personality, share your thoughts, and engage with your viewers. The key is to find videos that evoke strong reactions. Think movie trailers, viral clips, or even other YouTubers' content. Just make sure you're adding value beyond simply watching the video. Tools like OBS Studio make recording your reactions easy. Get creative with your editing, add commentary, and build a community around shared experiences. Remember to credit the original content and follow copyright guidelines. Compilation channels are a hit on YouTube. These channels have gained immense popularity over the years, attracting millions of viewers who are looking for quick, engaging content. Why? Because they deliver bite-sized entertainment, often around a specific theme. Think funniest fails, best animal videos, or even heartwarming moments that can brighten anyone's day. These compilations are perfect for viewers who want to be entertained without committing to long videos. Or top 10 gaming moments. Gamers in particular love to see the best plays, epic fails, and incredible highlights from their favorite games. These moments are not only entertaining but also provide inspiration and tips for their own gameplay. You become the curator, gathering the most captivating clips and stitching them together into a compelling narrative. This role allows you to showcase your creativity and storytelling skills, making each compilation unique and engaging for your audience. The key is to find a niche and become the go-to source for that type of content. Whether it's funny pet videos, amazing sports highlights, or the latest viral trends, focusing on a specific niche helps you build a loyal following who know exactly what to expect from your channel. Source material from various platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and of course, YouTube. These platforms are treasure troves of content, offering endless possibilities for your compilations. By diversifying your sources, you can keep your content fresh and exciting. Always ensure you have the rights to use the content and give proper credit. Tools like Capwing and InShot make editing compilations a breeze. Properly crediting the original creators not only shows respect, but also helps you avoid potential legal issues. These tools offer a range of features that simplify the editing process, allowing you to focus on creating high-quality compilations. From trimming clips to adding text overlays, these apps have everything you need to make your videos stand out. Add music, transitions, and your own personal touch to make the content uniquely yours. Music can set the tone and enhance the viewing experience, while transitions and effects can make your compilations more dynamic and visually appealing. By adding your own flair, you create a signature style that sets your channel apart from others. Imagine this. Your YouTube channel runs on autopilot, generating revenue while you focus on other things. Picture yourself sipping coffee, reading a book, or even traveling the world, all while your channel continues to grow and earn money. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality that many content creators are experiencing today. That's the power of YouTube automation. By leveraging technology, you can streamline your content creation process, making it more efficient and less time-consuming. Automation tools can handle repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, creating engaging content and connecting with your audience. This strategy involves creating content using elements like voiceovers, stock footage, and text-to-speech software. These tools can help you produce high-quality videos without the need for expensive equipment or a large team. For instance, voiceovers can add a professional touch to your videos, while stock footage can provide visually appealing backgrounds and scenes. While it requires some upfront effort, it can become a passive income stream over time. Initially, you might need to invest time in setting up your automation systems and creating your first batch of content. However, once everything is in place, your channel can start generating revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Imagine the freedom of having a steady income stream that doesn't require your constant attention. Consider creating top 10 videos, educational content, or even niche-specific tutorials. These types of videos are not only popular but also have the potential to attract a loyal audience. Educational content in particular can be highly valuable as it provides viewers with useful information and insights, or even relaxing nature scenes with calming music. These videos can appeal to viewers looking for a way to unwind and de-stress. By offering a variety of content, you can cater to different audience preferences and increase your channel's reach. You can hire freelancers for voiceovers, video editing, and other tasks. Platforms like Faceless and Upwork offer a wide range of talented professionals who can help you create polished and professional content. Outsourcing these tasks can save you time and ensure that your videos meet high-quality standards. Or use AI-powered tools like Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. These tools can generate natural-sounding voiceovers, making it easier to produce content quickly. AI technology is constantly evolving, offering new and innovative ways to enhance your videos and streamline your workflow. For stock footage and visuals, platforms like Pexels and Pixabay offer a vast library of royalty-free options. These resources can help you find the perfect clips and images to complement your content. By using high-quality visuals, you can make your videos more engaging and visually appealing. Remember, the key is to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Whether you're sharing educational insights, entertaining stories, or relaxing scenes, your goal should be to offer something that resonates with viewers. By focusing on quality and value, you can build a loyal audience and achieve long-term success on YouTube. Affiliate marketing is like being a digital matchmaker. You connect your viewers with products or services they'll love and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. The beauty of affiliate marketing on YouTube is that you don't need your own product. You can leverage your channel's influence to promote products related to your niche. Join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale to find products. When you create videos, naturally weave in your recommendations and provide value to your viewers. Transparency is key. Disclose your affiliate relationships upfront and only promote products you genuinely believe in. So there you have it. 5 powerful strategies to make money on YouTube without ever hitting the record button. No more excuses about cameras, editing, or stage fright. Remember, success on YouTube takes time, effort, and consistency. Choose a strategy that excites you, leverage the right tools, and always prioritize providing value to your audience. This is your sign to start building your YouTube empire. The possibilities are endless. It's time to take action, get creative, and watch the income roll in.